March is the month that we spring forward an hour, and Sally Ann Harrison shares with us her sunny Dresden quilt, which has petals that she makes on the machine, then uses applique to finish. Lorna Bateman returns with her inspiring Silk Ribbon Roses embroidery workshop and has some wonderful packs of silk ribbon on offer as our product of the month. And we have fly stitch embroidery from Neve Wimperis. This lovely tulip log cabin patchwork design from Valerie Nesbitt is perfect for spring, and Leslie Branking guides us through the world of Japanese folded patchwork, where you make both sides of your quilt at once. Our Technique Thursday this month is a comprehensive tutorial from Craig Joubert on marbling, a remarkable technique that produces these exquisite and original fabric designs easily and instantly, and will be great for the family to work on during the holidays. Jane Czaja continues her crochet series for us with the first of several workshops on how to make crochet hexagons. And Fiona Goble shows us some knitted amigurumi pets. And with Easter just around the corner, we return to the arty crafty place with a workshop from Tess Grace to produce these lovely block printed Easter cards. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.